Jindal Steel and Power Limited, JSPL, with its state-of-the-art rail and universal beam mill in Raigarh, Chhattisgarh, is a name to be reckoned with. Best standards of rail manufacturing processes are followed to deliver world-class rail tracks. The process begins with the selection of the best iron ore from our mines to converting it into hot metal using the world's largest rotary kiln in conjunction with the blast furnace. The melting of rail steel is done via electric arc furnace (EAF) using sponge iron from DRI and hot metal produced from the blast furnace, ensuring a high purity of steel. The steel is then refined in a secondary refining furnace equipped with ladle refining furnace. Ladle refining affords the steelmaker with the flexibility to control the processing of heats in order to achieve greater efficiencies and superior metallurgical traits. Gases dissolved in steel may have high detrimental effects like shatter cracks during usage and must be controlled in very close limits. At JSPL, Rustal Harias RH degasser is used for cleaning steel from dissolved gases like hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. In RH degassing, pressure inside the liquid steel is reduced to less than 1 mbar, while ensuring that the hydrogen content is less than 1.6 ppm, as specified in IRS T12-2009 rail specifications. The clean liquid steel is then cast into solid steel blooms using the continuous casting machine (CCM), equipped with electromagnetic stirring (EMS), ensuring excellent cleanliness, soundness, reduced inclusions and higher equiaxed zone, resulting in superior quality of casting. These steel blooms are then reheated in a walking beam type of furnace prior to rolling to ensure uniform heating, prevention of skid marks across the blooms. The uniformly heated blooms are immediately passed through the high-pressure primary descaler to achieve scale-free surface. Water jet at a high pressure of 200 bar ensures a clean surface. Rail rolling is done using universal rolling. The heated blooms are rolled in the mill through breakdown stand, intermediate stand, and then the tandem mill, which consists of universal roughing, universal edger, and universal finishing stands. This state-of-the-art tandem mill with XH rolling technology by SMS Meyer, Germany, allows strict control of finished rail dimensions with close tolerances. During the rolling process, improved rail steel grain structure is achieved and sound internal quality is ensured for the best performance of rail with desired hardness, wear resistance and superior strength. Online hot stamping of rails is done as per the specifications. The as-rolled rail is cut into ordered length with finishing hot saws. These rails are handled in 123-meter long walking beam-type cooling bed, the longest one in the country. This bed can accommodate 121 meters long single rail. JSPL makes longest rails of 121 meters in the world. Rails are air-cooled to ambient temperature so as to ensure minimum internal stress in the rail. The rails are then passed through a series of straightening rollers. The state-of-the-art straightening machine from SMS Meyer, Germany, with modern technology and high-level automation to obtain optimum straightening characteristics for high-speed rails, ensures superior straightness of rails. But it isn't only the world-class technology that makes JSPL the largest rail manufacturer in the country. Also in place are strong and focused quality assurance systems comprising modern testing facilities for all online and offline tests as indicated in IRS T12-2009. The online testing facility of JSPL includes online profile checking machine to monitor profile geometry and surface imperfection, laser straighteners machine for checking horizontal and vertical flatness of rails from SMS Meyer, Germany, eddy current testing for checking for surface imperfections, ultrasonic testing for internal defects checking, online color marking unit for marking defects, whereas their offline testing facility includes spectrometer to measure chemical composition, tensile testing, hardness measurement, residual stress measurement, fracture toughness measurement, falling weight test, decarburization and inclusion rating study, sulfur print test. JSPL rails before dispatch are tested and verified by RITES, a Government of India renowned inspection agency. Each rail after inspection by RITES is stamped as per standard specification. JSPL also provides up to 484 meters welded rail panels using the 121 meters long rails with state-of-the-art flash butt welding machine supplied from Railtech Schlachau, France, supplemented with automatic brushing, automatic welding machine with built-in stripping unit. Even the rail handling process at JSPL is designed to provide damage-free rails to customers via usage of synchronized hoists crane system to handle long rails up to 260 meters. With its constant endeavor to provide most advanced products, JSPL has come up with head-hardened rails that are used in high axle loads and high-speed trains. This is a new initiative by JSPL, first in the country. JSPL has an unshakable commitment to preserving and protecting the environment. The plant's clean, green and eco-friendly practices bring the concept of better technology, better world to real life.